Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content. And if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my most recent acquisition. I'm pretty excited about that. Before we get going here, I wanted to point out there's a couple of new things. Number one, I have a new phone. You should be able to go down right below the video and select quality and go up now to 1440p. Whether or not it's actually translating to better quality, I don't know. It's really hard to tell. But I wanted to be able to make that an option, and if I could, just make the quality of the channel a little tiny bit better. So maybe that's the case, maybe not. There's probably some other things I need to work out. Something else you're going to notice, you're going to be like, well, maybe the video quality is a little bit better, right? But your audio quality sucks right now. Yeah, that's because these new phones don't have aux jack, so my old external mic can't plug into this phone. So I had to buy an adapter. It's on the way. You guys will have to suffer through a couple of videos here and there with some bad audio quality. They'll be speckled in because I pre-record my content, but eventually the audio will be back to normal and I'll be able to use that old mic again. So anyways, another new thing is thanks to my buddy Kyle, I actually have a new Instagram card to share with you guys, so nobody has to look at this old crappy one anymore. I have got this beautiful one that was made, and also a larger one for when we have videos when we're zoomed way out. But anyways, small steps, constant quality improvement on this channel, so I really do appreciate that, Kyle. Thanks so much. And thank you again to the gentleman who made me an excellent deal on this. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. And also thanks so much to my generous patrons. You can find a link for Patreon right down below. Okay, so what do we have here? Oh boy, it's a Microtech. Yes, it is. And it's one that I honestly should have bought a long time ago. This is the Microtech Stitch. I'm going to give you guys a close-up here. And just for my own, so that I can go back and watch this video later and compare and go, did the quality increase? I'm not really sure, right? So, if you don't know, the Microtech Stitch is a collaboration, of course, between Borka Blades and Microtech. These are automatic only. I know that hole is kind of a teaser, makes it seem like you can maybe open it like this. That would have been cool, right? But it is not the case. I handled this knife a long time ago. Somebody sent it to me, and they actually offered to sell it to me. And I was like, I really want to. I didn't know I'd like it that much. But my funds are kind of dedicated to this other thing that I want, and so I had to pass over it. And then I thought, I'm going to buy that the next chance I get. Well, I missed a couple of opportunities here and there, right? And I decided, I was like, I want one of these. I'm going to make a community post. I made a community post hoping that I could get my hands on the bronze bladed one with the bronze hardware. Maybe if it had been up longer, right, that might have been possible. But I had somebody message me on Instagram and said, hey, I've got a brand new one and I'll make you a sweet deal on it. It's not the bronze blade, but it is essentially mint. And yeah, it was. This is absolutely brand new. I mean, the centering on it is perfect. The blade is perfect. The action is perfect. This one was December of 2020. And where does it say? Does it say the blade steel? Yeah, M390. Every last detail on this knife is flawless. It's exactly like I remembered it. I'm a big fan of this knife, mainly for the ergos. Now, I have an actual custom Borka Blade Stitch in my possession right now. It doesn't belong to me. It belongs to a viewer who sent it in for me to review. And that's what caused this, like, oh my God, I love this knife and I love the ergonomics. I really need to get my hands on a Stitch. The other nice thing is, this is probably one of the most robust, ridiculous automatic knives in existence. That blade stock, 187 thousandths. The entire thing is just this. Look at this, these oversized hardware pieces and the oversized fasteners. Everything about this knife just screams overbuilt. I'm also a big fan of the texturing and shape. The firing button, that's just really nice. And we've got this cool like triangle texture pattern down here. These are 6061 T6 aluminum. That doesn't bother me at all. The price though, retail is so expensive. So I was more than happy to pay what he was asking. That was way under retail. And it was, I'm so happy that it came perfect. I mean, I could not ask for a better variant of this, on the secondary market, so I'm really happy. But yeah, I'm a big fan of the ergonomic lines and the shape. I mean, you guys know, big fan of the Shaman, Big fan of some Strider knives, Hinderer knives, right? There's some lines here that are kind of fairly similar, even though this thing has, it clearly is taking its own form. But yeah, I'm very, very happy with this, and I'm happy to add it to my collection. I'm hoping, I know for those of you watching and thinking, I want to get that, are they going to do more? I'm almost certain they're going to make more. But I don't know that it's ever going to be like, hey, this retailer's got 500 in stock, so anybody and everybody who wants one can get one. I have no idea. It's probably going to be small batch. DLT Trading gets them sometimes. PVK Vegas, E-Knives, right? You'll see them on Blade HQ sometimes, maybe Knife Center, right? Seen them on a lot of different retailers. You just kind of have to sign up for, like I have notifications with everybody. I have signed up for like everybody's newsletter because I don't want to miss stuff, and I still miss it sometimes. So, but I'm happy to check this one off the list. I don't think this is going to go anywhere anytime soon. I've been doing a lot better about like keeping stuff here lately. I haven't been, felt the urge to sell it. For those of you watching this right now, if you're new to my channel and you're like, what is he talking about? Is he going to review it? Like, why? He's just talking about acquiring it? Yeah, so this is just an unboxing. I've already reviewed the Microtech Stitch. So if you're looking for a comprehensive breakdown of this knife and details and all of that, you can just type in Metal Complex Microtech Stitch, and it will pull up my original review, and you can get the information that you're seeking. Yeah, I do daily unboxings, little acquisitions, or other things that are coming into the channel. So if you're new to the channel, this is the other style of video that I like to do, where I just kind of talk about what's coming in, whether it's for me or not. But anyways, yeah, I think this is gonna be it. I really hope the video quality seems to, I hope it shows through. Guys, let me know if setting this video, like again, you have to go down to quality and change the quality to 1440p. If you've got an internet connection that can support it, right? It takes a stronger internet connection. But if you can do that and you've got it set that way and the quality seems to have taken even a teeny tiny step up, I will consider that a win. That's going to be pretty much it for today's video, guys. Be sure, gosh, that looks so much better. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.